This is Kawasaki, home to a variety of culture, arts, entertainment, sports, and festivals throughout the seasons for all ages to enjoy. Kawasaki also hosts a strong industry with large companies doing business on a global scale. 1.4 million people located between Tokyo and Yokohama, Japan. Kawasaki is rich in the traditional Japanese culture of izakaya restaurants, where people come together over great food and drinks in small shops, largely family-owned businesses, feeding residents in the local communities all over Japan. The most popular dish at izakaya is yakitori, barbecue chicken stewed on a stick. Prepared and stewed, usually by hand, a brand new invention has just changed history.
面白い。ほら、楽ね。抵抗なことやることもないしね。
This is Rakusashi Kun automatic skewing machine produced in Kawasaki, Japan. I always think that we want to, or have to, contribute to people, to society with our over 50 years of professional skill sets with our talented craftsmen. A few years ago, some of my friends owning yakitori restaurants asked me, can you create an automatic skewing machine enabling us to minimize the burden of our workers and chefs with increasing productivity? First, it must be easy to use by everyone, regardless of experience. Second, it must be reliable and safe. Third, it must increase the productivity of workers. And fourth, it must be priced very reasonably. It took almost 2 years of experiment and development, and we finally created the perfect machine.
Hello, my name is Scott. I'm the founder and brewmaster here at Bremer Brewing out of Kawasaki, Japan. The thing about yakitori and craft beer is a lot of different similarities. Once we were introduced to the yakitori culture over here when we got to Japan, you can go to so many different restaurants and each one's got their own individual flavor and style. And kind of like our brewery, you know, it's usually run by families, and it's always great just to sit down, meet the owners, and have a group of people and have a good time.
Among various industries in Kawasaki, we prioritize manufacturing as one of our core content, appealing to not only the domestic market, but the global stage. Therefore, we've awarded a Kawasaki Manufacturing Prize 12 times since 2006. Hiroki Industry was awarded for their original invention, the automatic skewing machine. We hope this machine will break into the US market and other regions as the frontier brand from Kawasaki. Kushizashi in Japanese means skewing, but in another way it actually means bonding together. Therefore, we want to be the sort of diplomatic ambassador and hub, not only selling this machine, but expanding the awareness of Kawasaki, other collaborative partners, and enlarging our community together. In skewing traditionally by hand, beginners average about 50 pieces per hour, and skilled workers average about 100 pieces per hour, maximum. Using our machine, beginners average about 100 pieces per hour, equal to that of the most experienced workers doing it by hand, whereas experienced users with the machine average 200 to 300 pieces per hour. I think businesses realize quickly the drastic improvements in their productivity.